I can't believe what I'm looking at right now. Why they're chopping down this tree, I will never know. I don't know if it's gonna hit a car when it comes down. I don't know if somebody will come and try to talk these guys out of doing this. I don't know if anybody will get hurt. I hope nobody gets hurt. Here comes the mastermind back. I do not know what these guys are thinking. Okay, he's gonna grab onto the rope now because that's gonna make a huge difference when that thing falls. I hope my battery lasts. I did an illegal U-turn in the middle of a street to try to get over here to see this. I almost got hit. I don't understand what they're thinking. What's the best case scenario for this? They're just gonna gently lower it to the ground? Into the street? Or they're just gonna pull it back the other way? They could be here for hours, but you can only go so far, and then you're committed, right? They're committed. You can't just leave that thing because it's gonna pose a danger to everybody. I wonder if anybody else is pulled over and is filming this right now. Out of this world. They got that one person just hanging on for dear life. Everybody else is leaving. Oh, this guy's coming back with the Sawzall. This will take care of that thing. More people coming. She hasn't let go. She's committed to this. It's not a small tree. I'm just glad that there's no power lines close by. It seems awfully dangerous. Maybe these guys know exactly what they're doing here and I'm overreacting, but I doubt it. Somehow doubt it. Oh, here comes... Oh, there it goes. Look out, everybody. Wow. Well, no damage. Say goodbye to that tree. Wow. Well, I'm glad nobody was hurt.